హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు మై షో. నేను మీ నాగతేజ. మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు ఉల్లాల ఉల్లాల ఫేమ్ అంకిత మారాల. సో తనకు తెలుగు రాదు, నాకు ఇంగ్లీష్ రాదు, అసలు ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఇంటర్వ్యూ నాకు అర్థం కాదు. ఒకసారి మనం చూద్దాం. హలో హాయ్.
Hi.
హౌ యూ?
I'm good. How are you?
ఐఎమ్ గుడ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. హౌ డిడ్ యూ ఫీల్ దిస్ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
Industry is very good. Like whatever offers and everything I'm getting, it's definitely based on my talent and. So I'm not from the industry. My dad is from Air Force, so I'm from defense background. But the industry is amazing, getting to learn so much, and also I believe the technology in Telugu industry is, as good as Bollywood, which is amazing. Like working here, technology-wise, and so all that is amazing.
హౌ డిడ్ యూ గెట్ థాట్ ఆఫ్ కమ్ టు టాలీవుడ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
Actually, it happened to me. I was shopping in a mall with my brother and someone offered me a film.
రియలీ?
Yeah. I always wanted to come, but I didn't know anybody. I didn't know how to enter the industry. So it just happened to me. Like,
యా, ఎనీ గుడ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ షూటింగ్ స్పాట్?
Yeah, it was
Bad
amazing.
experience?
No, not really bad experiences. And good, I would say, throughout the shoot, it was all good because, every day, each day I used to learn something.
Yeah.
So, also being into technical branch, so I used to always concentrate what lenses they are using, what technology, what is the frame, and so I used to always concentrate in all these things. So, learning filmmaking, like a little bit, of course, was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your dressing is very good and your grooming is perfect.
Thank you.
I like this. So, how did you feel?
This is inspired
what is
by
this? Huh?
this is inspired by the old
Baba.
Dammarudam song. The old Dammarudam song.
Ah,
Zeenat Aman, Miss India.
yes, yeah.
Yeah, she does the dum. So it's inspired by her.
Yeah, like trance only.
Yeah, I think it's psychedelic trance. Zeenat Aman, she is old Miss Bangalore, Miss India.
Yeah.
So it's inspired by her fan.
Okay. How is your family members?
Family members are very supporting. I would say without my mom, I wouldn't have been here. Like throughout my journey, I was 3 years old when I performed on stage. So since then till today, everything that I'm doing, it's because of my mom.
Okay.
Wouldn't have been possible without her. My dad, he was little worried, like after doing engineering, why you want to get into acting, get a job and all that. So he's from Air Force background. He doesn't understand film and things like that. So for him it was little difficult. But when my first film released, he believed in me that she can do something in the industry. My daughter has that in her. So he took some time. But my brother also supported me. He gave me 3 years. He told me 3 years you work in the industry. If you think you can take this forward, then it's all good. Otherwise, come back home, get a job. I'm there. Financially also, my brother told me, no matter what you do, whatever it is, I will always support you. Even if you're not earning, you never know you will earn or it's a struggle life. Like I just got films easily, but sometimes it's full of struggle. So my brother, that's so sweet of him. He always supported me financially, and my family is very supportive. So
You look very pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah. Where is your mom?
Mom, she's sitting right there.
Namaste, mom. Yeah. You understand my English?
Yes.
Okay, thank
Your
you.
English is amazing. My Telugu has to still improve.
Okay. Yeah. How is your experience with RGV sir? That stage performance?
Yeah, actually.
Dammaradam?
Huh? No, that day it was not Dammarudam. But that day, actually I didn't expect any compliments because I thought they are big legends and they will not even notice. Like we are new people in the industry, but it was even C. Kalyan sir and RGV sir, both of them, they praised my performance and that dance, actually I didn't get much time because of promotions. I got only 4 or 5 hours to prepare. And Sandeep Master worked really hard and his team. So the performance was very good. I loved performing, and So I was very happy at the end of the day. The result was very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any good memorable moments with your childhood and college days?
I'll tell you about bad moments.
Bad?
Yeah.
Not
because not very good, I would
Okay.
say, because even though I was always a good dancer and I was always, into this, but I have seen a lot of failure in my school and college life. Like, so you appreciated my performance,
Yeah.
right? But in college, in audition only, they used to put me out. They used to not let me perform also on stage. Sometimes these things are, so I don't know, throughout like college and school life, too much of failure, and people used to pull me down and things like that.
How they feel your friends?
Friends, see, I have very less circle, I would say, like 4 or 5 friends, college friends and school friends who are still my friends, who are very good. Like when they used to see me in school and college, even then they wanted me to be an actress. I didn't believe that I can be an actress because I don't have contacts and all that. I don't have a godfather. But they believe that you should be on screen. Always. Them, my mom, they always wanted to see me on screen. So
Yeah.
proud of me.
Yeah. నాకు కూడా.
Even my professors also, whom I troubled so much. I used to do the mass bunk. I used to be responsible for the whole mass bunk. But they are very proud of me now. They love me so much.
Okay, super. You were wearing dress makeup.
Yes.
Yeah. Time.
Time 35 minutes. Mama, my mom did this for me. And
Really, I'm big fan of that.
yeah.
Tilakam.
It is very nice.
Superb.
This is Hanuman ji's sindoor
Yeah.
that she has put. So 35 minutes, yeah.
30-35 minutes.
And I do my makeup, hair, everything my mom takes care of.
Yeah.
So she only helped me.
Yeah. Your very best friend, school days or college days or professional? Best friend. Mommy?
Actually, she is my best friend because she is throughout, she is there throughout my journey. If sometime I have to perform, there is no time to eat, I will not eat, she will also not eat. So it is like that. So that struggle, she has been with me throughout, because even in the industry, it's not easy for a new girl to come and then just do films. So there's a lot of things that keep bothering, but I have always been around good people. And so she's been my support system, so she's my best friend. Yes.
Okay. Your ultimate goal?
Ultimate goal, my goal keeps changing. Like if I achieve this, I want to achieve again. I want to achieve more, so it keeps increasing, so there's nothing that can stop me.
Yeah. You, who is your inspirational actors?
I'll say few names. From Bollywood, old actress Madhubala and Sridevi from our industry also.
Okay.
And heroes, I loved Rajesh Khanna. I had a huge crush on him since childhood.
Okay.
Yeah, Rajesh Khanna. And recent Mahesh Babu, I love the way he looks, and he maintains himself, carries himself. And in Bollywood, I like Kangna, and yeah, so these are the actors.
Okay. Nataraj?
Nataraj is also
Now
he's a debutant, he's a new
Yeah.
actor. I'm also a new actor. We are all in a process of learning. So
Experience ఎలా అనిపించింది?
experience is good. So that's how it was. So Satya Prakash sir
Satyaprakash garu.
is the director. So he's an actor now. It's his first film as a director. So the best part was me, Nataraj. We are all new actors. So we used to tell sir, please do my scene once, please do second time. So I used to make him do my scene. So that way, acting wise also, he has helped me a lot.
అంటే లాంగ్వేజ్ రాదు కదా? You don't know language.
Yes.
You don't know Telugu language. So how did you manage?
See, first day I was worried.
నాకులాగా.
First day I was.
It's me.
I will learn Telugu, definitely. I want to be in the industry for 15-20 years now. So I will learn.
I learn English.
No, I will learn Telugu. Don't learn. I will learn Telugu. So yeah, actually, Satya sir told me language is not a issue. You focus on your performance. First, one day I was like little worried, like some words I'm missing or something. So what I used to do, what my way of doing it is, if this is a frame, someone outside right there will give me prompting, and before that they explain me everything like line wise, word wise. So I used to write the meanings in English or Hindi like that. So I used to do my homework and I used to come. Then next day when we used to do the scene, so someone used to give me prompting. So I used to hear whatever I'm hearing, I used to act on that. But I used to, focus on my performance rather than focusing that I don't know Telugu. I used to focus on the performance. So if you watch the film, you will not think that I don't know Telugu.
Yeah. Really?
Really.
Oh. Any good compliments you get? Important persons, film industry or your professional?
RGV sir complimented me that you
RGV sir evergreen. RGV.
And my director sir, he compliments me one thing, that from your head to your toe, your hair, your eyes and everything, talks. So you are very expressive. So that's what he says. I like that compliment.
Really, you're very అలా చూస్తుండపో అనిపిస్తుంది.
I understand that much.
ఎవరైనా చెప్పారా ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైనా కాలేజ్ టైంలో?
College time was, I was in Belgaum, so it is a small town.
Okay.
Only one theater is there.
Okay.
So my mom, dad used to not allow me to go because it was 25 kilometers away from my place. So it was not very safe to, I never watched any film, like hardly any films I watched. And college life was fun, but engineering is very difficult. But I used to trouble my professors so much. All mass bunk I used to do, I used to trouble them. And in the class doing some hangama, all that I used to do.
Okay.
And teachers used to be like, you get out of the class. And then I used to be so happy, okay, I'm out of the class. So teachers stopped doing that. Because if we send her out, she's getting attendance also. And she is bunking the class also. So they used to not send me out.
Okay.
So big time I troubled my professors. But now I met them some time back. So now they're very proud of me. And they're like, good, you're doing something you're good at. And you will definitely make us proud. So they're already proud of me.
Yeah. You like cat eyes?
Cat eyes?
Yes, like.
Blue eyes, yeah. I've kept blue eyes for my film also, so this is what I'm.
Okay. ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు మీ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ అండ్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్
Everybody.
ఆన్ యువర్ స్క్రీన్ ప్రెజెన్స్?
Screen presence. I don't know if my dad is coming for the premiere, but he wanted to come, but now he's like he'll be busy with interviews, so I cannot give him much time. So he might not come. But my mom, whenever she sees me on big screen, so she is always very emotional. So she gets super emotional and.
He's don't know this film?
Huh?
He's don't know this film, your dad?
Dad, yeah. He might not come because I'm busy or something, so he might not come. He told me once you become an actress like Deepika Padukone, I will come. So he's expecting higher from me.
Okay.
So I told him, okay, let me become something good and then I'll get him.
Okay.
Yeah.
అర్థమవుతుందా? You understood?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Very cute memories with your family members.
Family members. So best memory about my brother.
Your sister, brother?
Only one elder brother.
Okay.
Elder brother and proper pampered sister. Yeah.
Okay.
Pampers me a lot. He's like 4 years elder to me. He lives in London. He doesn't live in India.
Okay.
So whenever he comes, his suitcase will be this small. My suitcase of gifts and handbags, shoes and dresses. This big suitcase he gets for me.
Red color.
Things are inside are red, blue, all makeup. Like he knows what makeup shade I use and what lipstick I use. So he goes for my shopping and he brings everything. So I told him, don't make a girlfriend because if you get a girlfriend, you share half. So don't make a girlfriend.
Okay. Especially you tell please RGV sir. Yeah.
Sorry?
Especially please you tell only RGV sir with your performance, only stage performance. Trolling that moments. You know?
No, I don't know. Some trolls happen. Yeah, what trolls happen? I don't know.
Very good, very good. So good performance, good actors,
Okay.
good looking.
Yeah, so so I was actually not expecting any comments from like big legends like that. So when he actually appreciated me and he took my number on stage and he was like, I would want to work with you. So that was like a great thing because he's such a big director, like the whole world, all
Yeah.
India knows him. So the best part was, you know, people are interested in working with me because they're seeing some talent in me. That's the best thing.
Yeah.
So I think I can, you know, do some great work in Telugu industry.
Yeah. I know you very much singer.
Singer?
Yeah.
How do you know
singing,
that?
I know, but
Singer?
information gathering.
Singer?
Yeah, singing.
Singer? How do you? Who told you?
Yeah.
Everybody knows now I sing.
Yeah.
But I'm not confident in singing.
Please, one line. Dum mare dum.
That song I don't know. Okay, I'll sing old Bollywood song.
Yeah.
लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले से
Nice. Superb, superb. Really superb. Your voice is superb. Looking is superb. Your performance is good.
Thank you. Blushing.
Yeah. First, good compliment is to get your mom.
From my mom.
Yeah.
She's my biggest fan, so she always compliments.
Okay, obviously your mom, but professional as well.
See, professionally, when I do some scene or something, she never praises me. She'll be like, if she praises me, sar pe chad jayegi. So she will never do that. But when I'm doing some scene or something, she wants me to, you know, for example, I'm posing for a picture. She's like, put your back straight. Don't do. So she is more like a guru for me. Yeah. So she will, when I'm working and all, she will never praise me. She'll be like, put your back straight, sit properly, give that proper smile, be in that mood. So she will always be a guru for me, never praise me that much.
Guru.
Yeah.
Guru.
She's my guru. Yeah, when I
She is very interested with your screening. Really?
yes.
Yeah.
Very interested. When I was 3 years old, no, my dad bought a big chocolate. My mom taught me dancing. They sent me on, there was a dance competition which I won. I won first. So I was just 3 years old, so I didn't know. They told me, if you perform well and you come back, you will get this big chocolate. So that's why I performed and then they gave me this chocolate. That day,
दिमाग खराब हो गया.
that day she was the happiest person, I think.
Okay. Understand?
See? So that's how it is.
Very naughty things, na? Oh, some naughty or very expensive.
So I'll share one experience from my college.
Expensive experience.
No expensive, but very like engineering. No, so we get ragged and we rag juniors. So my ragging, to rag me, there were 70 senior guys, 20 senior girls. So this class was full, like some 100 people were there to rag me. So I was like, shit. And whoever they were ragging, no, was coming out crying. But I didn't want to be that.
Okay.
I'm like, ragging, I'll deal with it. So I went like full intention, and then like they ragged me, they made me do this, propose this guy, this, dance and all. Everything I did. I'm like, और कुछ करना है, और कुछ बोलो, इतना ही था बस. So these seniors, they were expecting कि Ankita Maharana will be scared or she'll. I'm like, I'll do whatever you want. So they ragged me, and at the end of the ragging session, so I laughed at them and I came. So all seniors basically I did. And when I had to rag juniors, I didn't rag them. I did little bit ragging as in like personal interview, but
Very entertaining.
yeah, engineering life was very entertaining. Apart from studies was boring, but this life was very good.
Very entertaining.
Yes.
No, not boring.
Not boring.
Every day is going college.
Every day going college and sitting in the canteen, not attending class.
Yes.
Not attending class.
But now she is present on a screen. Kada.
so my college principal sir, he
Name?
used to also Deshpande sir.
Okay.
A.S. Deshpande. So he used to support me, and even he used to be, when I won Miss Bangalore, I'm Miss Bangalore 2016. So when I won that, like everybody used to see me as, you know, most mischievous girl, sabse shaitan ladki. But after that, they understood my interest, and everyone supported me with attendance and everything. So, yeah.
What is your opinion about love?
Huh?
What is your opinion?
Opinion
on
about love?
Love systems.
Love, I think these days love can make someone weak. That's what I think, because now the love for people has become very conditional.
Okay.
Yeah.
What conditions?
Like any conditions, you know, if I love someone, that person has to have, you know, has to behave like this, or have
Character
a
like
job
this.
like this, or you cannot go out with your friends, or, you know, these kind of conditions. That's what I've been seeing. So love is coming with a lot of conditions. That's not true love. So I think people need a little more maturity to fall in love. Maybe I'm thinking of getting married or falling in love by 30-32 so that I'll be mature by then. So yeah, that's what people are not taking love seriously. Like, see, if I fight with my mom, so I will not leave my mom, right?
Yeah.
No matter how much I fight. But in relationships, they fight, they break up. So love is a little messed up with the new generation, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, love after marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your imagination thoughts?
Marriage, I don't know if God has really made a guy who can tolerate me, because I'm very stubborn. I'm very ziddy. But marriage and all, I don't know. But I think if I have to be married to someone, no, that person has to adopt me as a kid. I'm not matured enough to be married. So I think I'll think about it after 30s, because I want to concentrate on my career. I don't want any distraction in my life. Also, we see actors, actresses getting into relationship, and, you know, there's so much restrictions and things like that. So I don't want any restriction. When my family is so happy with my work, why do I want someone who can put conditions in my life? So
Okay.
it's always good to be, you know, free to work, and you know, with a free mind. Yeah.
You're going to pubs or restaurants with friends.
Yes.
You're industry persons.
Yeah.
How did you feel the time moments?
With industry people, I've never been anywhere out. With my Bangalore friends, I have some model.
Not in here.
No, here I've never been. Here I come, I work, go back.
Only work.
Yeah.
That place only enjoyment.
That place chill.
Okay.
Gym and party and enjoy. Go to dance class and go to party and dance, and
You much like very. Kada?
yeah, I party twice, thrice a month for sure.
Okay. Trans है ना? Trans.
Trans
Yeah.
look no.
Yeah.
Yeah, I recently went to Goa, so I saw some foreigners wearing Om kurta, and I'm like, what? We are Indians. We are not, you know, we are not very. So this is from ISKCON temple.
ISKCON temple, yeah.
I got this from ISKCON temple, and all these from ISKCON temple, and so just like wearing it. It gives a little. I think it gives a little positivity when you're wearing Om, when you're wearing Rudraksh and all. You yourself feel positive कि कुछ बुरा नहीं होगा तो कुछ होता भी नहीं है.
Finally, and Nataraj and Satyaprakash sir and movie.
Also Guru Raji, he's the producer, Karta Dharta of the film. So I would like to thank him and Satyaprakash sir for taking me in the film, and I cannot thank them enough ever, because they have shown some different level of confidence in me. Like from the day they met me, they were like, you are definitely going to be one of the top actresses. This is what they always tell me, which is a huge blessing from them. So Satyaprakash ji and Guru Raj ji, thank you so much. And Nataraj, I hope his debut movie works well for him. All the best to him. And Noorin is also a part of Noorin Sharif. She's already famous, and wish her also all the
Lovers Day.
best.
She's Lovers Day.
Lovers
movie,
Day. Yeah. She's in our film also. wish her also, she's coming today. So wish her also very good luck. Yeah.
Yeah, you get more opportunities. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Congratulations in
Thank you.
advance.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm shivering. I'm not talking too much. Yeah. How did you feel this interview? Kind of interview.
An interview,
Yeah.
amazing. Like because
Please, true. Yeah.
I'll,
Proceed.
I'll tell you why. Because any interview they keep asking about, you know, similar questions like how was this experience or about him, about this. But you actually made me talk about my life before acting, like my college life and how I perform, my relationship with mom. So I love sharing my life, like some part of my life with you.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Thank
Wish
you.
you all the best and congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, నేను Ravi Prakash. Please subscribe to Mirror TV.
Hi everybody, this is Tarun. Please subscribe to Mirror TV.
Hi, this is Anand Devarakonda. Please subscribe to Mirror TV.